we're like in their, I don't know if it's like body shop. It has some vintage cars in here. So we got permission to film in here. So try to be quick and thorough. As they said, they usually don't allow people in here. So obviously be respectful, kind of give you a show of what we got and take some photos. So let's get to it. I guess we might make our way around this edge. That's where like all the better cars are. I think the middle ones are like in repair and stuff. So thank you for watching. Join and see what we get into. Stuff like this. Now this is badass. I don't know what this is. A dino, I think it says. Oh, let's see how much for the car we can get in a shot. There we go. It's my eyes. Love the headlights. Oh, that would be a good one. Always love shooting inside, man. Alright, the only bad thing about being indoors is you're constricted to a room. So we'll try our best. Got some good content here, boys. Got this wall right there, so I can't move much. Let's see the picture of this. Oh, that's good right there. Let's push this. Inside here, CPL filter comes in clutch. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's night and day, but it does. If I can just start zooming out, then just crop it later in post. I feel like I try to get like the perfect picture when I'm taking a picture, when I should just zoom out and crop it in later. That's badass. Let's get a high one real quick. I wish it was so bright in here, but we'll brightness over nothing, right? Low orange. Alright, on to the next one. Alfa Romeo on this one. So this has music. Damn. Gotta lean back with it. What's that? I had to put some music over this vlog. I really wasn't sure what to say. Try to be quiet and respectful. Not many people in here, but still. Don't want to bother nobody. Alright, on to the next. Should think it'd be better if we get it this way. Oh, damn, there's a type of chair there. I don't think I can make it this way. Get what you get, don't throw a fit. Get what you get, don't throw a fit. See in here. See if we can bring it up a bit. There we go. Spider thing's pretty dope. Let's say Alfa Romeo. Ooh, that's good right there. Oh, these might come out shitty, but I only got the best. Angles. Right now. Solid. So you get up front, the pony. Need some water. I gotta not look happy to see me. So we can keep on over here. Ooh, that BMW with that BMW in the back. That's pretty sick. Freaking thing boxing, man. It's a beautiful ride. Beautiful ride. Damn. Should get some nice photos of this in the inside, but the clearing? Oh shit. I didn't even notice what's there right here. That's my clarity suit. Clear on the wheels. Let's get a photo of this. Damn, bro. Oh, it should be so cool. Any of these. I don't even know it's that BMW logo in the back right there. Oh, this is video, bro. 15 minutes, nice.
You can move those little holes if you want. Okay?
Oh, awesome. Yeah, that would be.
Doesn't make a photograph of the lines in it.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, yeah, that makes things a lot better. Cool. Nice people, man. Nice people. I love people. Part of the reason why I do this, dude. People you meet are awesome. That's all right. Mercedes. Alright, well that guy seemed pretty nice, so we're gonna go head over to the Mercedes building. So I think we are done here.